Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to use the LiDAR sensor on the iPhone 17, the 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Now to use the LiDAR sensor on your iPhone, first of all, just open the utilities folder on your iPhone and from here you will find the Measure app. Now just open this app. Now by using this app, you will be able to measure objects around you. Now let's measure the length of our iPhone's box. Now to do that, first of all, just place the middle dot at the start point, then tap on the plus icon. As you can see, we have selected the start point. Now just drag your iPhone and place the middle point at the end of the object which you want to measure. Then tap on the plus icon. And as you can see, it has measured the length of our iPhone's box. Just like that. Also, other than the Measure app, there are other third-party apps which support the LiDAR feature, like the IKEA app, which uses the LiDAR sensor to scan your room and place the selected furniture item in your room. And this is how you can use the LiDAR sensor on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.